Ang talakayin naman natin ngayon ay yung rights of students to form organizations, the right to publish student newspaper, and the right to free expression of opinions. Yung right to form or join an association, yan po ay in consonance with Section 8 of Article 3 of the Constitution, that the right of the people to form unions, organizations, or associations for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Yung right of students to form an organization is subject to the approval or authority of the school. Hindi ho pwede makapag-operate ang isang organization or association in the school unless it is duly approved by school authorities. Under DepEd Order number 20, series of 1991, and DepEd Order number 7, series of 2006, it provides that the operation of fraternities and sororities in public and private schools is prohibited. Hindi ho pwede sa mga public and private schools yung pag-operate ng fraternity at saka sorority. Yan po ay allowed lang sa colleges and universities. Dito ho sa basic education, whether it is a public or private school, pinoprohibit ho yung pag-operate ng fraternity and sorority. Lalo na yung hazing ho, under RA 8049, pinagbabawal or it provides for a strict penalty for hazing in fraternities and sororities, and also even in other organizations involving initiation rites that are similar to being used in fraternities and sororities. Yung right of the students to publish school newspaper is in line with Section 4 of Article 3, Bill of Rights of the Constitution. Yung Section 4 provides that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people to peaceably assemble and petition the government for redress of grievances. Yang hong right na yan, although it is a fundamental right, it is subject to certain limitations. Ano ho itong mga limitations sa campus press freedom? Ang mga limitations dyan ay yung school rules and regulations. Ano pa? Yung general laws of the land. Pangatlo, yung ethics of journalism. Yung right of the school to promulgate rules and regulations as guidelines to student publication does not include or does not extend to the right to determine publication content. Ang pwede lang ho, pwede ang school mag-set ng rules and regulations to serve as guidelines for student publication. Yung guidelines na yan applies only to overall performance and purpose. Yung rule and regulation applies to specific content. Yan ho ay censorship na kailangan bago i-publish yung isang newspaper, titingnan muna yung content. So, ang magdidetermine kung pwede ang content o hindi, school authorities, it violates campus press freedom. So, yung campus editors publishing articles which runs counter to the standards of responsible journalism, such as yung mga accuracy, truthfulness, sincerity, impartiality, may be subject even to disciplinary action. Yung limitations under general laws of the Philippines, although may press freedom, students cannot just publish yung mga libelous remarks, yung nakakasira sa reputation ng isang tao. Hindi rin sila pwede mag-incite to sedition, yung publication nila, yung mag-incite to rebellion. Hindi rin pwede yung mga espouse ng immoral doctrines, mag-publish ng mga obscene publications. Yan ho, violative ho, yan sa general laws of the land. It is being punished. Those acts or omissions are considered to be felonious acts under the revised penal code. Yang libel ho, inciting to sedition, inciting to rebellion, yan ho ay punishable as felonies under the revised penal code. Yung right to free expression naman ho, that is in consonance also with Section 4, Article 3 of the Constitution, though it is a fundamental right, yung freedom of speech, freedom of the press, freedom to peaceably assemble, to petition the government for redress of grievances. Hindi ho yan absolute yung right. Subject rin ho yan sa limitations ng general laws of the land, like law on libel, law on inciting to sedition, inciting to rebellion, yung mga immoral, espousing immoral doctrines, yung mga published ng mga obscene publications. Sa ethics of journalism, it requires na yung pinapublish, so kailangan i-observe nila yung accuracy, truthfulness, sincerity, impartiality. Sa Article 19 ng Civil Code of the Philippines, it provides that every person must, in the exercise of his rights and in the performance of his duties, act with justice, give everyone his due, observe honesty and good faith. Ang ibig sabihin po, though you may have a right, yung pag-exercise mo ng right na yan, kailangan irespeto mo yung rights of others. May kasabihan na yung right of a person ends where the right of the other person begins.